Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make no profile picture or remove profile picture from your Facebook account. And now let's dive right in. Now to make like no profile picture or your remove profile picture, just empty profile picture, first open up your Facebook app, guys, and after that, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon. Tap over there, and over here, guys, just below the menu there is a tab where it says there is our account name. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see the profile picture of mine. Tap over there and tap on see profile picture. Now in order to proceed to make no profile picture or remove the profile picture, okay, I'll just be saving it real quick, so save to phone. Now you'll be required to delete this picture, and let's tap on delete photo and tap on delete, and that your profile picture will be gone in a moment. It take a time to load, but you can see, guys, your profile picture is gone. And guys, this is how to make no profile picture or remove profile picture from your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.